Solve for y. We have two equations here, and in these two equations we have two variables, x and y, and we're going to be solving specifically for y. So as we've seen in class, we're going to treat the other variables as if they are constants, numbers. So by solving y here, we need to subtract 4x. We need to move this to the other side of the equation. So we subtract 4x, and this will be cancelled in here, and I'll be left with 3y equal, you can write 7 minus 4x or negative 4x plus 7, it doesn't matter, both correct. Now we're going to solve for y, so we need to divide by 3 because that's the coefficient of y. We want to isolate y. So y is equal to 7 minus 4x over 3. We're not going to get a number, we're going to get an expression. Y equal to 7 minus 4x over 3. Now solving the second problem here, also we are solving for y. So I'm solving for this variable right here. So I'm going to need to move this to the other side. So we need to subtract 3x on both sides, and we're going to get this going to cancel, and I'll be left with negative y equal to 2 minus 3x. And again, we are multiplying by negative 1 here. Negative 1 is multiplied by y, so I need to get rid of that. So we have to divide everything by negative 1. So now that gives me y. Now if you recall, we don't like a negative in the denominator, so we can take it to the numerator. So it will be the same as negative, everything here, 2 minus 3x divided by 1. But you can ignore the 1, right? Or if you want to keep 1 for now, that's fine. So y gives us what? So that will be negative 2. Negative times a negative plus 3x. Remember, there's an invisible 1 here, divided by 1. You can ignore that for now. So you can write it as y equal negative 2 plus 3x or y equal 3x minus 2. Either one is correct, and that is the solution to our equation.